seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the trading cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
When the market gets wild.
What is up, fellas? Trading Cowboy in the house.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch
Little push off the bottom right there. Nice, Mac. How's everybody doing today?
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing. And Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
Getting a nice little pop out right here, kind of off this bottom, right, guys? I mean, kind of broke this low with the 280s, but got right back above it. It came back and double checked it. Now we're popping over the 21.
Legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hopping. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shit. Plan the trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Sing it out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk comes first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Some folks pray for luck. I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan the trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday. Him I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Discipline. Yeah, my edge is my process. My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth. Coffee gone cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like it's sealing my fate. Got scars from the summers, the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art. Ain't cute, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Got a stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the wrist alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in Q. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. Don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me.
like we're trying to build a little shelf right here, guys. I'm just kind of watching, see if we're going to get that pop over the 50, or I'm kind of thinking maybe some rejection here at the 321s.
But I'll be here till the closing bell start. Not for the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I kiss them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trader scene. Coffee cup, ring on a
Yeah, see how we're kind of pulling back right here, so I'm just kind of waiting to watch. This is going to be a rejection, or if we just need to come down here a little ways, maybe wick through this 95 area, maybe get a quick wick and then a push up, maybe.
Giving it time, calm mind, fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line.
Kind of maybe building out a little bull flag, maybe. That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch.
Let's see if it pops back up over this.
Fear fades slow.
I'm in at 296.75. Tried to get it a hair lower.
On the mouse now.
Want to just see if it can come through this pop up here for about 20 points.
It comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush.
Stop will be below 80.
Chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just
First TP 305, second 316.
tick up, every pull back down. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Coffee cup ring on a legal path. Sun just
Trying to get
climbing
that push. That 294, our entry's kind of back into support right now. Kind of what we like to see. So now your stop could technically be below 280, maybe 285. Kind of have like a 10-point stop. Our EMAs are kind of trying to cross over, so
panic, just do what I came
just
here
hoping this will play out to be a little bull flag.
from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries.
There you go. TP1 hit. I'm going to move this to the bottom of that wick now. Take this other one off. Now we're looking for 316.75. Let's go to what is that going to be? For 292. Let's go for here. That's still kind of, we may get rejected at 15, but 317 will be 25 points. Starting to wick up, so I don't like that. Our stop's at 289.50 now, so we got about a 3-point stop, but we just made a little over 10 points on the first TP. So we'll see if this 9 and 21 can hold. 9 and 21 are trying to cross back over. They're super flat right now. Bulls are fighting. Bears are trying to win.
Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story and every tick up, every pull back down. Detached from the outcome, focus on the setup like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than in trees, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, show them down. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show them how we got them. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down.
Yeah, I moved my stop down a little bit. You see how it wicked through there? It would have took it out. Now it's trying to push back up. The 9 and 21 still crossing over. So if we don't get the push this time, I'll get out of this trade.
Coffee on, screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride, push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back, let's go, let's ride, yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly, let's go. Let's ride, hey! Heartbeats fast, chart keeps climbing. Every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back, let's go.
Still pushing, guys, right to the 50. We're up $300 on this last one right here. TP's at 317.75 if we can get that push.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm for dollars. Got my hat tip low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time.
Rejected off that 50, so if we don't hold right here, we'll just exit the trade.
Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open
May look for a re-entry if it wicks back below. So
to the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, let the screen go dream. Got my watch list loaded like a belt full of rounds. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Chat room talking live, campfire talking night. We're telling tales of a lemon fields.
we need that pop back up.
Wind streaks, whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back
All right,
on.
we're flat on that trade now.
Push those candles.
We got right at $200 off of that one. Man, we were close to our TP. We were about 6 points away.
Shout your heart to the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, let the screen go dream. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Whoa. Hey, hold on, hey. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. Alarm bell rings, screens light up.
Hoping we get it wiped down to that 275 area first.
I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing and then neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Baby points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker and fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this runs gonna
Well, guys, that was the wick. I just didn't do anything about it. You're up 10 points, 11 points if you took that call out.
And baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. You laugh when I talk about trends, say I live inside that screen. But girl, when you walk in a room, you erase everything. You're that sudden surge in my veins, that false break that turns out true. Every pattern I thought I knew got rewritten when I met you. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all
20 points.
on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do, I'm just trading
Nice push off the 280s, guys. That's 20 points already. 25 points off the 275 call out.
on a little uptick.
There's the 50. Naturally, you're going to get a little rejection right here if you look back. Rejected every time. Now we just want to see if we have a little inversion right here to get that push over it.
Love's just numbers and faith in the plan. Baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back.
That or we're just getting a slight little push up so we can clear this 267 area.
That's what I do. Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving average across the lane in, MACD
Look
talking
at that
about
rejection.
shifting the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back
Let's see how it acts right here, guys. Kind of bounced off our little trend line right there, kind of our stop. What's up, Miguel? Let's go. The biggest, the largest. See if we can go break these 262s now. We just wicked through that. The takeover. That's right, Miguel. How's Jose? How's your mom? We're going to, Miguel. We're going to. I was doing good. Grandma got diagnosed stage 4 cancer. Oh, yeah, I do remember that. I'm sorry to hear that. We'll be praying for y'all. For sure. All right, there was kind of a little wick through the bottom, and it bounced right back up about 10, 15 points now. Kind of see if this is going to be a V recovery or if they're just faking everybody out. Our next pivot point's at 23,000. That's where Miguel was calling it out earlier. We got close earlier. We hit 23,093.
Push through the lowest, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, whip those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ, let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP, come on down. Push those candles down. Red way running through this town. Let's ride it all the way
right in between those pivot points, guys. I mean, we got 490 up here and 300 or 23,000 on the bottom. So we're 260 down or 230 up. The hourly got that nice push down, kind of wick through the bottom.
Skill, maybe it's just stubborn will, but I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins.
Getting a push back down through now.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one.
15 minutes. Got about 2 minutes left. A little over 2 minutes. I guess 3 minutes. Sorry. What's up, Miguel? I know it's headed forward, isn't it? And Miguel, that's where that pivot point is too. Look.
Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say
I mean, right at 23,000.
push those candles, push it, NASDAQ stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky.
Crazy, huh, Miguel? Kind of watching this 15-minute, see how it looks. We kind of wick through the low there. Not really a fast wick. We popped up over 20 points, pulled right back down. See if this is going to be a double bottom or if we're going to get some more out of it. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute. I'm going to try just one right there and see after that little wick. Stop will be below it. See if we can get that little push off that bottom after it wicked through it a little bit. There's our 15-minute candle. We got almost 10 seconds left on it. If we can get back up here to the 70s, be about 15 points. Still pushing down though. Be our only ad right here. There's the 20s.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go.
Trading Princess, what's up, girl? How you doing today?
Dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bold flags are open out brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run. Long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the lows when the tide starts to set.
Fighting a little bit right there at the 20s, trying to keep it over it. Doesn't look real promising. It's not working yet, Miguel, but it's trying.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this opens what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, you set picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terpinator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah.
Getting a little action now, guys.
Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone.
See if we can get that push.
Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the one still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terpinator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding
Now we're getting a little bit of a push. Keep it up. Let's go, guys. Right at that shoulder. Little teaser. Little teaser.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Hey, take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey, whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those
Rejected off the 9 on a 1 minute. That's what we're dealing with right now, where it's at.
show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kinda fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the ground. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that view up, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on.
Nice little bear flag playing out. We're fixing to be out of this trade. See if it holds right here. If it breaks this, we'll just jump out.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ. Let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP on down. Push those candles down. Red wave running through this town. Yes, around. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Sun up glow on a ticker screen. Coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blank, blank, blank. Heartbeats count down, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn-out mouse. This little desk is my glass-walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold.
Alright, we're out of that one, guys.
The moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos. Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon.
Right there at the 100 ORB. Maybe we should have stayed in that one a little bit.
Here in the moves I made, desk lamp glow, midnight run, chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight, master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow, turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Some boys chase dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's route. Oh yeah. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all the whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos. Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. That's how this cowboy rolls.
Seems like we're just sitting here waiting for something, doesn't it? 2 5-minute candles ago, our volume was 52K or 5.2K. Now it's 3.8.
Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, wide screen saloon. Yeah, we shout yee-ho to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. Live the screen door dream. Oh, 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 oh. Got my watch list loaded like a bell, full of round. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah. Chat room talking like campfire talk at night. We're telling tales of a limit
Like
feels
it's
we
still
barely
not done with the
survive. Win
downside.
streaks, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, wide screen saloon. Come on, we shout yee-haw to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. Live the screen door dream. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, wide screen saloon. Hands up, high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Here's the 190s. We gonna get a little push up now, maybe? We got nothing showing up.
sun comes up on the tick-tock road.
What do we got on a 1 hour?
Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor.
1 hour, there's a little support at that 189 area. Really, 150 maybe.
What we came here for, trading cowboy laughs, ain't my first rodeo. Groggy tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune, while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, a new jack swing in his soul. Turbinator calls, here comes the good news. Through the job we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together, where the green candles grow. Driving up, session taps his ring on the desk, says one more.
Trying to get a little pop here. Probably just a little pullback. We can get back up to the 9. Maybe we can look at maybe getting it back into another short.
Good new whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Turbinator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the job we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding
188 should get a little bounce or a little stop. We clear that. 150 would be next. See if we can get a little bounce right here, maybe. If we pop back up through 195, I'll try a little long. Let's see how this candle acts. Now if we get that pop right back up, that'll be like the third time. Nothing, still pushing down. All right, now let's see if it'll push through the 90s. If it'll hit that 80 and push. Otherwise, we'll wait on 150. Beautiful short, though. Miguel's calling out 22,600 now. I mean, the 23s, we should get a good bounce there. That's a pivot point. The 150s, we should get a little bounce. That's kind of what I'm watching right now, Miguel. Getting a little push now right here. Trying to get back through these 180s. I don't know. Little fake out. Doesn't look for real. Nice little pop after consolidating right there. Got about 25 points out of that one. What are you thinking, Miguel? Naturally, you were short, I'm guessing. That's probably the pop we needed to get a little lower, maybe. I thought maybe we'd touch the 21, though. Kind of cleaned up that shoulder at 198. L. Jones caught 20 of it. Heck yeah, my friend. Nice thinking, man. Pretty crazy right there.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ. Let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom.
See if that's the push up to continue short, or I kind of see those 150s, but between 150 and 130. Oh, there's a good push. Good inversion.
Coffee covering on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market. That's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick.
Put that push back up over 205.
Backboard swing, let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story and every tick up, every pull.
See, this is where I want to get short right here, because normally this would work the last couple days, but
Focus on the
Want to try to wait and see if we go up to the 50. 15 had a nice wick down, looking bullish right now.
Sun up glow on a ticker screen, coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blank, blank, blank. Heartbeats count down, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn-out mouse. This little desk is my glass-walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow, turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon, I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Desk lamp glow, midnight run, chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow, turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Some boys chase dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on the
50's at 230. Struggling a little with these 220s, but it's still pushing pretty decent.
hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow, turning all the whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. That's how this cowboy rolls.
There's the push. Let's see how strong they are right now. Let's see if it gets a pullback or. Still pushing.
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor.
Now I just want to wait and see if we see a little bit of red now.
Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laps ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles
15-minute closed. It started a new one. 1 minute's closing right now.
in this wild screen rodeo.
Yeah, look at that. Full body, then full rejection. I was hoping we were going to get a little bit of a wick first. 17 points right off the open.
Yeah, trade a right NASDAQ together, where the green candles grow. Driving up, session taps his ring on the desk, says one more pullback, then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while his breath runs off with everyone. Good news with
Oh, look at that. Whoa. Look at that push. Wow. That hurt some people right there, didn't it, guys?
In this wild screen rodeo, Marco's got that R&B weather, New Jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop. We still all roll.
It's a good wick up. Let's see now if they can push this sucker back down.
Where the green candles glow.
Wow. Those 40 port candles, that's kind of what we got last week, right?
Push through the lower, break through these EMA. Take me lower, whip those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ, let's go now.
Yeah, see, look at that, guys. 50 points almost off that wick at the top. Tricky suckers.
Push those candles down. Railway running through this town. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Boots on the dish, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts one tick at a time.
I mean, look how terrible that 15 looks now. That previous one, beautiful. This one, not so good.
Push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, yeah, we shout you hard to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a belt full of rounds. When the volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Chat room talking live, campfire talking night. We're telling tales of lemon fields we barely survive. Wind streaks whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. We shout you hard to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door train. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Hey, hold on, hey. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses
Is this our 921 retest? To punch it short, guys. What's everybody doing?
ride to the closing bell scream. coffee cup, bring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself. Master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick.
Little push right there, not much.
Out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow. Let the noise run thin. Calm hands.
There's 15 points roughly, back up to the 50 EMA on a 1 minute.
It comes around. If it don't, I still walk away.
Great rejection. Wow.
From the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself. Then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my
H-Town, what's up, my friend?
every pullback.
We're just going sideways right here, right now.
Detach from the outcome. Focus on
Great sideways.
like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than
All right, we're flat again, guys.
on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself. Then master
What are you thinking, H-Town? Look at those charts real quick. Tell me what you think.
boots on the floor. Screen lights glow. Chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy. Stocks are my
There's kind of that little wick right there, maybe.
dashboard. Hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bold flags are open. I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run. Long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah. Yeah, I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh,
5 minutes kind of building out. I don't know what it's building out. Call it a bull flag, maybe, if you squint a little bit.
little green flicker on the side. Got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing.
Okay, we kind of wicked through those previous ones. Kind of right here, so I want to see if we're going to get a little pop-up now. For sure, cell signal that previous candle when it touched the 9 a while ago. But hourly's fixing to close. See if we get that 50-second push. There's that 50-second push coming in. Big 50-second move. Look at that hourly now. Got a good wick. We never made it to that 150, 144 area. I like that we're making a wick on the bottom of this 1 hour first. That's kind of what I'm watching. Kind of want it to stop right in there. I guess it could come down to 188 roughly, but just want to see a little wick produced and then push up. Okay, I like that candle. That's kind of my setup. May jump in at the 202s. So one right there. The 210s. 211, I guess, is where it was. Oh, is that all it's going to give me? Little teaser. I mean, that previous candle's my definitely little boner candle setup. This one opened. I tried to catch the midpoint bottom of it. Now we're going to flush. Come on, market. Let's see if it holds right here. "50-second push." Had the perfect setup. Probably should have just talked all of them off. We were up like $300 for a minute, $400 almost. There's a good little push. Oh, right to the 21 again. That thing's a booger. Miguel, the outlaw. If this 88 don't hold, we're out. If it don't bounce back up. Gotta see it bounce up quick. Alright, we're out. Giddy up. Let's go, Miguel. What a teaser right here too, huh? See if it holds this bottom again. Right to the 9, right back down. Good pop though. That 173. See if that can be our bottom for a while. I don't know. Need to be riding these shorts for sure.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, shove 'em down. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down.
Get a little bounce off the bottom, fellas. Got all these EMAs in front of us though.
Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts. I'm hoping this time, moving average across the lane in. MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart.
The Bears got a wall right there at that 9, don't they?
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. 15-minute candle first break of the day. Or be hitting like a hometown parade. V-wipe sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flashing flame. Just another small win in a big long game. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash.
No wick on the bottom of that 1 minute.
Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight
Here we go. Here's another try at the low.
Coffee gone cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like it's sealing my fate. Got scars from the summers, the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art. Ain't cute, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wade in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the wrist alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in queue. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild
There's
Mustang.
some strong push.
Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. Don't chase moves, I catch them. I wade in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me.
Right back down. Holy cow.
Maybe it's love, maybe it's skill.
Chop suey, guys.
Stubborn will, but I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wade in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trader scene. Push through the highs, bust through these emails. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push those candles, get up there. Hey, come on AQ, giddy up, let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up, giddy up. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there. Come on AQ, giddy up, yeah. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Clear that VWAP, clear that VWAP. New bar, new charge, we never stop. Clear that VWAP, clear that VWAP.
Come on, chat. What are we doing, guys?
Bell rings, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages, cross a lane in, MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci.
Oh, I know at H-Town I'm getting chopped up over here. I mean, I'm not doing anything right now, but
Like barbed wire tie. Volatility dance.
you need to be up here in the sauna with me.
RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in a yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies.
It's on, buddy, but it's not helping.
Trim reversals, whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flash and flame. Just another small win in a big long riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a
Oh, there was a wick up over the 21 finally. Didn't quite clear that 200 area, but
could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah. Just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Baby points marked like fence post signs. Trailing
little pop.
as a ticker flies. Let's go, let's ride. Coffee on, screen is glowing. Sun comes up, numbers going. Little green flicker on the side. Got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push your NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
Did we sit at the bottom long enough to go up, or is this our short area right here?
Chart keeps climbing. Every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky. Click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go. Let's ride.
Right back down. I know it. Freaking jerks. I'm in short from 206. I'm already in profit. My stop's at 205, so I can't lose, but I want this 50 to hold right here.
All over that chart like a road map to someplace. Red, green, flicker, and fire.
I'm going to move it back up to the top of that candle, actually. 210's my stop. About a 4-point stop. 3.5 points. Shooting for these lows now. I want to see it break through 165, 170.
Risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout. Hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, then baby you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. You laugh when I talk about
There's our push. We're up 15 points, almost 20. Bounced right where we thought it would, 185. Keep pushing. There's 20 points, guys. I really want to see these lows. I want to see 170 at least. Come on, H-Town. Unless we get that 40-point ripper like we did a while ago. We had one while ago, H-Town, that was like 40 points. Kind of like it did Friday, where it run up 44 points and then back down. Come on, let's go. Ride it. Come on, keep dropping. Come on, guys. We're up 30 points right there. 600 bucks. Let's get that flush. Come on, 170s. Did we hit it? 170, 50. Come on, let's keep pushing through. Let's go. There's 35 points, guys. We got more in us. Let's go. There we go. Come on. There's 40 points. 45 points. Come on. Keep going. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Keep dumping. Let's go see the lows. 23.093. Let's go wick through those. Guys, there's over 40 points. We had over 50 a while ago. Come on, we're just riding. Oh, come on. That's almost $1,000 trade right there. Come on, keep riding. Push it down. This 150 area is going to be tough. On a 1 hour, that's going to be a little bit of support. I'm going to bring my stop down. Guaranteed 36 points roughly. I don't want to see it break the top of this wick. I don't want to see it close above 167. It's trying to bounce. I got 151 as a pretty decent support area, so hadn't quite got there yet. Keep flushing. Come on, baby. There's $1,000 bucks, guys. There's 1,000. There's 50 points. Come on, guys. Come on, NQ. Keep going. Don't stop now. $150 is going to be a booger, guys. If it wicks through there, I may just take it. It's trying to bounce right here. I want those lows. Come on. There's over 50 points, guys. That's over 50 points. All right, stops at 62, 63. All right, we're flat. We got a little over 40 points out of that one, guys. We had over 50 for a minute. I still see it kind of coming up here, touching this 165, 170 area and rejecting again. But like I said, I called out 150, 151. We got it marked right here. There's 151. And it bounced just a hair above it. Look at that bounce off the 150s. I really thought I was going to hit 151. Low was 153. 8 ticks off.
Coffee on, screen glowing blue. Alarm rang twice, beat the market too. Yellow legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan a trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. But he's on the phone, man, it's running hop in. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a range. I ain't that cowboy.
Oh, look at that push. That's why we trailed that sucker right there at the end once it bounced off that 153. I really thought we were going to dump, get a little wick below 150, but
Beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk
still a little bear flag playing out on a 5-minute, right?
Some folks pray for luck. I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan a trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Discipline. Yeah, my edge is my process. My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
There's the 50. We're going to get that 50 rejection again. Look how nice and clean that 1 hour, that 1 hour looks now. Nice wick on the bottom. Nice bullish look. Clean rejection again. Let's see if it inverts this time. Nope, no inversion.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs, say my first rodeo. Bronco tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, Yusef picks a dealing tune while Charles drives Charles like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Turbinator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. We're Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah. Turbinator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
What's up, Zero Dawn? We're not doing bad. We're trying not to get chopped up right here. We rode a killer short down a while ago for almost 50 points. We had 50 points. I think we ended up taking like 45.
Coffee cup ring on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm
Full deal. Well, if you stayed in your short, you're still killing it.
that's the deal I
Had a few pumps that would have made me a little nervous, but
don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patient pays
wrapping your short pin off that message from earlier with a larger stop loss. Nice. Man, I tell you what, I mean, we've had some nice little pops right here, but the just shorting it at the 50 has paid off almost every time. On the 1 minute, I mean, look at this. I mean, every time it got to the 50, I mean, since 11:40 this morning. So you clearly could have just used it as your pivot, right? Yeah, 420, yeah, for sure. I wish I'd have just stayed in it. I know that.
neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ.
I'm short for 23,380 when the EMA's cross. Nice. We went short a while ago at the 207s or 8s and rode it all the way to 50. 55, I think, is what it was. I had a call out to 51 and it would hit 53 and bounced. So really thought I was going to hit 51 a while ago. It just hit it now, though. I wasn't totally wrong, I guess. Yeah, it was. It was a little nerve-wracking to stay in that long. You know me, though. What was that little wick for? Good little wick to the 9. All right, there's the wick through that 51 area, guys. Oh, yeah, you wanted to see 189. You're getting more out of it now, that's for sure. That 189 was nice. We had a pretty decent bounce right there at that 180 area. Just seems like we're just melting down, huh? Like it's his points reaching that 5 minute on the pivot point, 22,998. That would make Miguel a happy man. He's been calling out 23,000 since last week, Zero Dawn, remember? I remember. He came on here twice a while ago, and then he said, after that, he said 22,600. Getting a little wiki right here. If that happens, my short will kick my trade day from last Thursday in the teeth. Yeah, for real, huh? I'm already up big on the day. Nice. Man, this short has just been crazy insane. How did you and Greg conclude your morning? We did okay. I was up, I think a little over 900 on one of the TPTs. He had one account locked out, and was up a little bit on the other one. It hit that $1,000 daily loss on Apex, so it locked him out of it, I guess. Got some 1,100 subs. I keep telling you, don't be surprised if you hit 2,000 by then. I know it's insane, Zero Dawn. Crazy. I mean, we sat there and struggled at 920. I mean, we struggled at 200. We struggled before to get to 100. I thought when I got to 100, I'd hit it big. So. There's a little pop. Nothing to write home about, but we did catch a little bit of that. Little funded TPT. Right back down though. Can't catch a break. I still expect a 200 plus move this week from you. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you. I keep entering, don't think it's going to work. Gotta pay the piper. Well, if you'd be on here longer, tell those customers they got to come back at 3. 3 my time. Out of that one. Didn't get much out of that one. Another little fake out. I keep thinking one of these pops is just going to rock it, but it never does it. Currently up 250 points in this trade. Nice job. Wow. Got to ride this market for sure, huh? You're up more than that now. What do we got? Hourly closing in just a minute, so maybe we may get a little pop right here. Trying to get back above that 127 area, kind of. Shooting for a good payout this week with TPT, where you're going to get it if you're up already 250. Yeah, the Bears are really wanting to close this under that 27 mark, so see if we get that 50-second push, or I mean, we already know the Bulls are dead right now, so. Don't freak out. I'm only a one contract. Oh yeah, no worries then, right? Just up $5,000 each.
Some boys chase dust on an open plane. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's route. Oh yeah, ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing.
All right, let's see if this hourly closes. See if we get a little push up right as soon as it opens, so we can continue down. I know, Zero Dawn.
Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. That's how this cowboy rolls.
We're trying to get those lows snagged. How was my weekend? Pretty good. Got to work in the yard a bunch. Do a lot of mowing. I enjoy it for the most part. Got a little sunburn, but how about yours? You get a lot done?
Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't send my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but
110s. Is this going to be our little retracement?
ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied in my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all ride. If it hits my level, I play my part in cue. Not
Power hour has begun, huh?
in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't send my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me.
Good to hear you had a good weekend. I had a decent weekend. I had to repair a sister's vehicle due to an accident. Oh my. And you're the guy, right? You're the go-to. The number one.
Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't send my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trade to see.
What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? We got to go sweep this low, right?
Strings light up, green and red like county fair ride.
Don't we, chap?
Got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving average across the lane in. MacD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now.
Bought a vehicle auction last week to fix her car because it was cheaper to buy a parts car the same color and year for me to personally paint. Oh, yeah. I bet that's exactly right. Yeah. Especially when you're in that business, right? Do y'all have like co-parts and stuff like that over there? That's what we have here. There's a little push through. Let's see if they can hold it down here. He has a 2023 Chevy Malibu and it's candy apple red. Oh yeah, so that paint would have been nice. It'd be a nice paint job, right? To get that painted, make it match. Those are hard to do, aren't they? Really hard to find the bumpers and stuff when they paint them to match. When that bumper's rubber or plastic, you can really tell when the factory doesn't do a good job. That's the way my truck is. You can tell the plastic parts aren't the same color as the metal from the factory. Here comes the low, guys. Are they going to push it through there? Paint per pint, $340. Yeah. All right, there's the low. I'm going to try one right there just to see if it holds. Just see if we get a little bounce. Just because there's so many people right there that had their take profits. We're going to see if we can get a little push right here. If not, we'll be out pretty quick. Not going to hang in there very long. Oh, there's a bigger dump. There's the 80s. Still going. Paint a car like that, conditions of your paint booth have to be spot on or it can flash. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. That's a really tough scenario right there. I got you, Zero Don. We've been in the body business long enough to kind of understand. Sometimes even just the direction you paint it could be a problem. Look at that 5 minute. Pivot point at 48, 50 area roughly. Wow, this thing is just melting. I know it. It's insane, isn't it? I think it's going to 23,000. Yeah, that 5 minute pivot point. I've been waiting for that sucker.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat
You know how much I'm up? I do now, Zero Dawn. It's insane.
on the line, I'm roping in those breakouts one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push Nasdaq, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, wide screen saloon. Yeah, we shout yee-ho to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trails.
23,038.
Nasdaq, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. Live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a bell.
300 plus and counting.
When that vibe
Woohoo.
beats, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah, chat room talking,
Phenomenal.
campfire talking night. We're telling tales of a limit feels we barely survive. Win streaks, whips on. Same old song, one good runner and I'm right back on. Push Nasdaq, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, wide screen saloon. Come on, we shout yee-haw to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride. Live the screen door dream. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fin to trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight.
I'm almost matched with the last Thursday trading day.
Push Nasdaq, push
That is sick.
those green, let's rip, let's ride.
Flat sick. And I'm just sitting here flat right now.
Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles. Green, let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream.
know you'll kill it when Marty roasters upside in the next coming days or week. Yeah, I know. I mean, we've caught some good shorts. I just, man, I don't know. I know I don't need to be trying to catch the bottom, so I don't mind setting tight for that. I mean, we're already up a little over 2,000 in one of my lucids, so pretty good for a single day. That is a good payday. Yeah, it's a brand new one, so I pushed it a little hard, but there you go, Zero Dawn, day one right there. Now we just got to get 2, 3, 4, and 5 put in. Basic 9 rejection.
Yellow legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hopping. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shit. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Singing out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk comes first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ.
So do you like the 9 and 14 EMA? I mean, yeah, Zero Dawn. I mean, I've got it. Let me switch over here. I've got it right here on mine over here. It's the white one.
My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas.
Josh says, for trading, can we depend fully on SMC? SMC, are you talking about like market structure? Like, I'm not sure what you're talking about. I mean, we trade EMAs, bull flags, and bear flags here, so we kind of know where some of the liquidity and stuff sits, but I mean, we do use higher time frames and stuff to make sure it's in conjunction with what we're thinking, but
Little cowboy of the Nasdaq, singing risk and truth.
I mean, we use the 5, 15, and 1 hour.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Hey, take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey, whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shove them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that VWAP, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kinda fast.
Eurodon, I can't wait to get some Cowboy merch in the future when get the big time. Well, Zero Dawn, I tell you, I need to show you some stuff, but you need to send me your shirt size, or tell me here. You still got to send me your address one way or another. And you, my friend, may get some Cowboy merch.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today. Push those candles down. Some on NQ, let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP on down, on down, on down. Push those candles down. Red wave rock.
I know it. Yeah, we need that bull.
To the bottom, break that VWAP. Come on down, come on down, come on down.
Good rejection off the 14 EMA right there, huh? Beautiful bear flag on the 1 minute. I know it. Playing out perfect, huh?
Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even.
I thought it was going to break right there. Probably break right here, though.
This little death in my glass walled high. Ride the Nasdaq, hanging on tight. Master the momentum.
Got about 20 seconds left on this candle. That'll be the true tale.
Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos. Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm
Now we're going to make a nice little bear flag again right here.
bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Dicks clamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the Nasdaq, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the
Or it's going to trick us a little.
all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos.
Right to the 14 again. Like clockwork. Yeah, Robin Hooder's inbound.
Dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on the
Here, let me raise my desk up. I'll show you what we got today. Haven't even opened them yet.
Ride the Nasdaq, hanging on tight. Master
Never thought about the Robin Hooders before. You know, they used to be a little more. I think when the market's kind of settled down, you really get to see it. But I mean, right now, probably all of them are short, right? So we may be getting a little pop coming in. And the only reason I know is because I used to be able to watch it when I was trading the stocks. When I was in some options and stuff, you'd really see it. You'd see your theta and all that kind of kick in real good. There's a little wick through the bottom. See if it holds, see if it gets a push. Kind of seeing this maybe be a little, I don't know. If this was a regular market, I'd say this could be a little inversion to go back up over 260, but options is a game I may look into in the future. Man, that's where I mean, that's kind of where I got my start. I mean, I went from Forex trading euro, US dollar to penny stocks, of course, and then regular stocks, and then realized options was more, you know, volatile, and then moved into SPY and SPX 0 day expires, and just the whole deal. I'll have to buy your course. Yeah, you'll have to buy it for sure. If you can read these charts, Zero Dawn, though, you'll be killer at the options watching those other charts. Especially when you can tell what's going on here. Bro, it'll be a no-brainer for you. All right, check these out, Zero Dawn. We got a little, these are little quarter zip, super soft. They got the TC logo on them. Do any color. There's a gray one. How do you find? See what this looks like. That's a large. That's what a large looks like right there. When doesn't everybody want to be a trading cowboy? It doesn't have to mean you wear a hat, but it could mean you ride those candles. I feel like I'm watching QVC. Just wait, there's more. All right, these right here are the Bella Canva, real soft, especially after you wash them. Got your Trading Cowboy logo on the front. And then our logo on the back. Ride those candles. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Who wants one of those? We can get like every color. Not every color, but close. There was finally that bounce off the 20 area, roughly. The same one in blue. That's like the heather blue, I guess. One of my favorite colors. Maybe Zero Dawn's too. I don't know. He may be tired of this color, but there's the military green. Yeah, I like that one, Zero Dawn, for sure. Man, we finally broke the 9, kind of got over the 14. The 21 was able to save it from going up any further. I guess that was kind of the Robin Hood little breakout, huh? Stopped everybody out of their shorts. Got that little pump. That military green with a black hat, I'm sure would be your gig. They're on the way, Zero Dawn. They're on the way, buddy. We still got more surprises. Kind of bounced again at this 25, but it wasn't a real, I don't know. Didn't quite have that bounce like I was expecting. So I think they're just trying to get some bulls interested so they can drop it some more. I mean, we need to get to that pivot point at 23, right? Yeah, come on, Barker. Oh, I know it, Zero Dawn. I know it. I don't want to say it's got to go there, but it's almost got to go there, right? I'm whispering nice things to NQ. Be nice to it. Be gentle. It'll be gentle back. It really won't be gentle back, but
Every tick up, every pull back down. Detached from
you'll wish it was.
focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ.
It'll probably sucker punch me in the face. Yeah. Trying to get a little push right here. It really is.
Coffee gone cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like it's sealing my fate. Got scars from the summers, the rally ran wild. Bears at the
Good little push right there. Wow.
They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a wild Mustang.
Yeah, here comes the hammer. Surely it rejects right here at the 50.
Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, at the wrist alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in cue. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. Don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy.
That was close.
Maybe it's love, maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trader scene.
My stop was 23,082. Oof, nice. I was wondering where you put it. I was thinking maybe put it at 89. See if these EMAs hold this up here. Or... Yeah, I know it, Zero Dawn. It's kind of what I was watching right here to see if these EMAs were going to hold. You know, your 9 and 14 crossed over, so. See, you should never showed me those. I wouldn't have said anything. You still would have been comfortable in the short. I mean, as long as we don't break this 66, 67 area, kind of this shoulder right here, maybe. I don't think it'll be an inversion. Otherwise, we're going to get that inversion up here to these 80s. Oh, there she goes. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to yank it back up. I'm not narking. I'm just saying, look what's happening. I mean, if we can squeeze a little bit right here, it may get a little dangerous, but. Yeah, see, there was kind of that last line. Remember that 89 I was telling you about? That'd have been where I would have tried to punch it short. Got stopped. Well, take your 800 points zeroed on and lick your wounds. Your 300 points per account times 5. Do not come back down. I know it. I mean, that 89 is where I would have tried to punch short. So if it rejects it again right here. It's trying to push. Let's see. Here's the telltale right here. Yeah, see, they're eating it right back up. 76. Be a good bounce, maybe. If this short circuits, I may do something risky. I think we may get a little squeeze out of it. I don't know. I'm not in anything. If it drops back through the 85s, I may jump in, but MOC, yeah, for real. 2.5 minutes. Everybody be ready. Good little squeeze. Good little squeeze. Let's pump 500 points. Minute and a half, guys. Minute and a half. MOC. Grab your boots. I beg. I don't know if I'm saying your name even close to right. The red line is my 50 EMA. This down here is the low of the day. So this is the low of day. This is the 50 EMA. My 200 is way up here. The little orange dotted one is the 200 on a 1 minute. 10 seconds, guys. Hold on to your shorts. Yeah, thanks for the question. Let's make some money. Longs are the way right now, huh? They can break right here. I'm long from 90. Atta boy. I got like 20 points off of it. I think I was long from 90. I was long at 98. Needs to get up here to about 160. Easy. Needs to get back above that 21.
Coffee on, screen glowing blue. Alarm rang twice, beat the mark.
Here comes our 54 candle. That'll be interesting.
Bag full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hopping. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking
Come on,
small
push.
like a farmer's shit. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Sing it
There's a good squeeze. Look at that.
thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline.
Look at that, 160. Careful into these 180s. I believe in you, NQ. A lot of resistance right here at the 160s, guys. That was a lot of trash, a lot of support earlier. Rejected off of it 4 or 5 times after that.
Little cowboy of the Nasdaq, singing risk and truth.
Stops close. There we go, back to 160.
Push through the highs, bust through these emails. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push those candles, get up there.
You can do it, man. That 160's trouble. I think it's got one more pop left in it. Maybe to 170, maybe.
Coffee cup, ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be too. Master yourself. Master the
Wow.
NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now
I mean, right to the 200 on a 1 minute, guys. That's what I was watching.
swing. Let the fear fade slow.
I thought maybe it could wick through it just a hair, but
Calm hands on the mouse now. Just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral.
took profit at 160. Good. I kept telling you there was problems there.
Master the NQ.
If I needed 160 to reject right there, though, it never would have happened.
I just read my story and every tick up, every pull back down. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than
I listened to you.
a harvest you can't
I mean, I wrote it up a little ways with you. I think I got like
be too.
35 points. I shorted it right there from 60 to 40, so 20 points down. So little crazy right here, huh? Little 3 o'clock massacre. Yeah, for real. Going crazy.
rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art. Ain't cute, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang.
Not a bad 70-point trade to wrap the day for real, right? Unless this is going to try to hold right here. Thanks for believing in the long. Your prayers were heard by you. Yeah, man. I mean, we played that thing today, right, Zero Dawn? We played that thing at MOC like a guitar, like a fiddle. There's no way it could have stopped us.
Maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dawn.
Yeah, long distance sharpshooter. It's safer that way, isn't it?
In the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I settle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trader scene. Boots on the dish, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line.
I said you in the Abrams take rocking the 50 cal. That's right.
Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire.
All I'd be screaming is more ammo, more ammo.
Push NASDAQ, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, yeah, we shout you hot to the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride, let the screen go dream. Got my watch list loaded like a belt full of rounds. When the volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Chat room talking live, campfire talking night. We're telling tales of a lemon field. We barely
Yes, sir.
win streaks, whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon.
We got a follower that lives close too that loves tanks. I need to have him on one day. He's just started his trading journey, but we need to have him on here and see if we can stump him on tanks live. He's the Terpinator if you ever see him in the chat.
Stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Whoa. Hey, hold on, hey. know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail. Clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream.
And is that all it's going to do?
Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, beat these bays. Push those candles, get up there. Come on and you get it up, yeah. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Clear that DUI, clear that VUI. New bar, new charge, we never stop.
Kind of thought this 21 was going to hold it. Going to try to jump in above it. It crossed over the 9. Listen, Zero Dawn, we need to get Greg funded. We, me and you. Yeah, we.
Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the summers the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like it's wild.
Well, Zero Dawn, we shorted that sucker.
In the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves
We are short from 144.
in the weeds till the price comes to me. Chart infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied in my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all ride. If it hits my level, I play my part. Ain't you, not for the faint of heart.
All right, we're out.
In the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds.
Got 39 points out of it.
Chart infinite possibilities.
Could you tell by how patient I was being or how quiet I was being? I got him 130 to 100. Well, that's a start. I kept thinking it was going to jump right here. I got pretty nervous at the 115s. The 117 area, I thought it was going to jump back up. But I got out when it touched the 50, though. What a rush. What a rush.
Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears,
thought you were supposed to help the chat. I'm struggling here. Listen, I blew up a few accounts for the chat already, so. Yeah, rest in pieces. Yeah, for real. Yeah, we're gonna have to have a good month this month for sure. All this I'm spending on merch and getting everything set up, and it ain't cheap. GoFundMe, yeah. I tell you what, if we're not gonna do a GoFundMe, we're just gonna do we're gonna give away merch, and then we're gonna need people to start buying merch. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give it away, and then we want people to buy it because they like it so much. What do you think people would do, Zero Dawn, if we had a GoFundMe for evals and stuff to help me on YouTube? I'd probably get some publicity, but it probably wouldn't be the good kind. And it just keeps dropping. Should have held that sucker. You'd be like the guy I banned from the chat last week. Hey, that could have been me, Zero Dawn, that you banned. You don't know. Man, crazy. Look at that push. It pushed right back to that 151 is what I had marked as what I thought was going to hold. 137 and 151 is what I thought was going to hold for sure earlier. It was straight up rejection after that, and then those bodies are at 135, 136. And then this 23032, I have no idea where we drew that one from. We drew that sometime last week. Where did we draw that? We drew that line back in September. All right, Zeo Don. We'll catch you later. Pop me an email with your address and shirt size, and I'll send you one of these t-shirts. Or Zero Dawn, you can go to thetradingcowboy.com and check out what we got over there. Nobody knows about that yet. Just whoever's in the chat. We're just getting it started. All right, guys, let's do the same. Let's get out of here with Zero Dawn. Thanks, everybody, for coming. 1,100 subscribers. Holy cow. Super blessed and impressed. Yeah, thanks, Zero Dawn. Remember, I saw this went viral a couple days ago, but it was super impressive to me. The guy said, if you have nothing to do with my romance or finance, and you don't enhance or advance my life, you got no chance. So remember that, guys. Y'all stay safe. God bless each and every one of you. Remember, the Trading Cowboy loves you. There's nothing you can do to change that. See you in the morning, guys. Giddy up.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the Trading Cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Car like an up and roll, get up, let's go. I'm the Trading Cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land.